Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I am Shazib Babaskandar. Today I am going to clone QGCS in Windows for development purposes. Before starting, create a folder and go to command line. Make sure you have installed Git software for proceeding this procedure. Copy the link which show in the video and paste in the command line. As you can see, the cloning procedure has been started. Make sure you have high internet speed connection. We are going to clone the stable version of QGCS, not development version of QGCS. QGCS stable version is more secure and more error-free, and you can start your development without knowing unseen risks. It is good approach. You have to grab your development in stable version as compared to development version. The development version requires high skill set as compared to stable version requires only just your required feature adding skill set. For the beginners, I recommended to download and work and develop the only stable version of KDCS. The submodules already included to recursively cloning our code, so we didn't need to run extra command for this purpose, but we have to check our any dependency left or on any submodule is left for the cloning. We will run the command. Congratulations, we have completed our cloning procedure of QGCS.